Hi, I'm Holly from Dolly and Rhonda, and today I'm going to show you how to do a waterfall braid. So the best type of hair for this is kind of clean and dry hair, so I'm just going to start off right now with a side parting. So if your hair is a bit straight, you can add in some texturizing dust just to give it a more tousled look. I'm just going to start by doing a normal French braid, just sectioning off there before the ear. So take your piece, run 2 fingers through it, and then start to plait, aiming towards the back of the head. So start to take in some new hair as you go along, just like a normal French braid. And now I'm going to leave this section down and pick up a new section. And just continue on all the way around the head, those same 3 steps. So just to finish off the look, with the remaining hair, braid it loosely and simply, and then pull it back to join the rest of the hair. So you can always finish off this look with some curls throughout the length of the hair to give it a more tousled feel, or you can pull at the braid a bit more just to give it a kind of edgier, more boho look. You can finish off this look by just securing it with some hairspray.